Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll explain how to see who stalks your Instagram using real and honest methods available inside the app. If you're curious about who checks your profile the most, now let's get started. Step 1, open Instagram on your phone. This is where all profile activity happens and you need to be logged into your account to access stories and engagement data. Step 2, post a story on your account. Stories are important because Instagram shows you exactly who views them, making them the best tool to observe viewer activity. Step 3, open your story views by tapping on your active story, then swipe up to see the list of people who watched it. This list helps you track engagement. Step 4, watch who views your stories constantly. If the same accounts appear again and again on different stories, it shows they are regularly checking your content. Step 5, notice accounts that frequently appear when someone searches or interacts. This means paying attention to people who often like, react, reply, or show up repeatedly in engagement areas. Step 6, use these patterns as the only real way to see possible Instagram stalkers because Instagram does not officially show profile viewers and any app claiming to do so is not real. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and honest Instagram tips.